Alright, 4th of July. We have 2 duds, man. But she's making the most of it. Yes. See this? That did not glow up like these did. But then these, like, her whole head should be glowing right now. But we make the best of it. She gets to see this stuff more than I do. So I guess I really like this. I guess it's first the best. We shall get the refund, no? 4th of July! And of course, I was about to say, and of course when I start this, we don't hear any fireworks. But then there are some. This is really uncomfortable over glasses, by the way. I hope the, let me see if I'm still going. Yeah, I hope that the company sees this. Yeah. Pushes glasses to me now. Show me some fireworks. I want to see some fireworks. Well, I could show you one thing, maybe. As proof of, like, where we are and all of that. Right there. Oh, yeah. That's the AT&T building. There it is. Yup. You know. Yeah. Nashville skylines. Oh, predicting rain on the 4th of July. But hey, we're in a van, so it's cool. Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Independence. Independence for July. We are crazy. Yes, we are. Say bye, internet world. That was lovely. Woo! That's it. Let's go home. I'm joking. I don't even know if this is the song. This is the station. The city? Man. Already so smoky. Oh, there's some sparklers on the stadium. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Woohoo! I can't hold still.
You didn't think about bringing your tripod.
Mm-mm. Yeah, this isn't the song. It's not right.
Should be the Nashville Cemetery playing. New riders.
You're listening to...
No, wait.
Easier. With 113. An exceptional service. Johnny, Scott. Due to this new debit card today, an $8 issue fee will apply.
The heck?
Patients for 13 hours.
Eric Jones with Elliot.
These folks draw.
Guess they're not doing it. Pretty hard.
You know, I talked to my mom.
I mean, of all.
She just says like it's.
Yeah.
Pizza.com.
Oh, whoa. AT&T is are not created equal.
Where is it?
And the Ad Council.
You'll get free information on the system.
I hear it.
800 City.
Is it on AM?
I don't know if I'd like Santa. Eating wall.
Stupid equals stupid equals more.
You hear it?
Yeah. I hear it all the way from across the river.
That's funny. That's. Oh my God! What channel? What station?
For me to come here this morning and given all kinds of
What station is it?
AM.
I don't know the buttons for AM. Okay? I can't see crap. I don't know the buttons for AM. If you turn them. Screw there's a light. It's FM 2.
When it's cloudy, it just lights up all the clouds, too.
May want to think about that, but Jeff. You're going to be recording now. That was good. Remember.
Yeah, I've gone through all of them. Try these one more time. They're still on sports. Whatever. Woo! Clouds! Clouds, yeah, man! Colorful clouds! Woohoo! America! I do every year. Yeah, storm clouds, man. Look at this. Yeah, man. We got some awesome cloud coverage on the fireworks in action right now. Watch the storm clouds change colors. Woohoo! Yeah, man. Storm clouds. What? Storm clouds raining awesome.
No, there's a fire somewhere. There is a fire.
Oh no, they caught fire. Okay. Oh no.
Look at that thing. There's a fire cloud.
Dun 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 dun. Fire, fire. Somebody calm the flames down so we can finish fireworks. America and low hearts, you're gonna burn the city. Holy cow, is there gonna be an explosion from sea to shining sea? Woo, I'm glad I'm not in one of those buildings though, hey. Do you smell cigarettes? Uh-oh, it's the most awesome view ever! Woo! Banana menthol. No, but that's what he thought she said, was banana menthol. I gotta cover the camera so it's not getting rained on. Didn't work. That's horrible. Yes, the whole sky is red. The sky is red and orange and yellow and green. There was no blue and purple. We almost went gay pride on the clouds, man. That would have been awesome. I would have loved to see that, to be honest. Oh, look. The edge. Oh, the edge. I got your pictures of fireworks, everybody who asked me for pictures. Isn't this awesome? 200 bazillion pictures of the edge of fireworks. Oh.
People on the downside might be seeing some.
Dude, the people over that direction will be laughing at him right now. Like, oh, we see some, maybe. Oh, why is it fuzzy? You got the view we got. Oh, fuzzy. Oh, fuzzy view. Fuzzy view. There you go. Woo-saw. This is excellent, man. It looks cool. Oh, it keeps going out of focus. There's some people are like, yeah, no, this isn't exciting at all. Let's go celebrate. Let's go celebrate America at home with like Jose and Jack. And, let's get all the boys together. Johnny's in on it. Sparkles! Sparkly edges. We're zooming in on the sparkles. Glitter fest on the edge. Wow, look at that. I hear the sperm, but I don't see them. Sperm up in the sky. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes! Let the clouds flash, man. It's a big strobe party. Yeah!
Look at the clouds coming here.
That is the first and last time a rookie sets off fireworks in Nashville.
#1 in the country.
Woohoo! Yeah, #1 in the country for colorful cloud coverage. No, man, they shouldn't have tried it. It's raining. Fireworks and rain, they don't always mix. And whatever fire happened. Fire. #3. Look at you can't even see the AT&T building. And people are just like, nah, we're leaving. This is no fun.
The smoke is just coming down. Wow.
This is shocking. Nashville's usually on point. What happened?
I've never seen smoke like this.
This is the first time retards have ever done this. Hey, I got some smoke bombs, man. Hey, man, I got your fireworks. Hang on. I'm gonna get risky here. Got your fireworks. Right here. Yeah. Watch it. Woohoo! America! America! Home of the free! Nashville! Land of the smoke bombs! It's funny to me, damn it. I must be the only one seeing humor in this.
Look. Going on. Nobody can see anything. You can hear the things.
Woohoo! America! Nashville! Nashville! Yeah! Bangs and booms, man! You hear the explosion? There it is. Hang on. I gotta do one more. I gotta do this one. I must do this one. Hang on. Woohoo! Nashville! 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 Woo! There you go. That's bad. That's just sad right there. See it. Holy crap. They left too early. The cloud coverage is starting to clear. Woo! Yay! Woohoo! Oh, look at that! Ooh, ah! Still can barely see anything though. Oh, there's some stuff going on. Hey, you probably know me, but if you don't, I'm Kiki the Clown. I'm gonna tell you about 4th of July in 2015. Technically yesterday. I don't know why this light's not coming on, but whatever. So, what happened was, it was raining, and normally it's okay. I come there every single year. Every year. You see the rain? Or not the rain, but you know, it's wet. Look at wetness. Wetness. Anyways, yeah, there wasn't much of a fireworks show. We pretty much entertained ourselves in the vehicle that we came in. But I realized I could replicate everything I saw just for you guys. So anybody who didn't see it, or didn't see the news, didn't see the live broadcasting, whatever. So you guys can see it. You want to see it? Because I got it all set up. Yes. Here it is. Nashville's fireworks. Check it out. Pretty, right? Yeah. Pretty. But that. Yeah. This right here is all we saw. And then there's more. Ooh. Ah. What is this? Oh no. We don't know what this is. Smoky. Yeah. That was it. I got it all on camera though. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oh, but wait, it's not over yet. We can still hear it. We hear it. We hear it. Kaboosh. Kaboosh. And we still hear it, man. But look, it's, what? Yeah, why can't we see anything? Oh, Nashville, best in the country this year. Yeah. Woo. That right there, that view, that's about it. That's all we saw. Yeah, sad. I know. But hey, don't hype everything up so much. I don't know. Yeah. Nashville after the fireworks. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.